Alright, lots of stuff going on the screen. It is HB. We are looking for the double dip. I mean, if this last trade plays out, it's going to be a beautiful day. Money at the opening, if you wanted to, I didn't take part of that. Money going up, made money doing that, made money going down, and could possibly make one more little move to the upside. So let's see if this double dip plays out in our favor. 50 points. Alright, it's gonna push a little further down. Let's see. Get one push up. I'm not even asking for, because this is an evaluation I'm trying to pass. So I'm not even trying to get 50, but I do have on a funded account one playing for 50 points. Not on the Nasdaq though. MNQ. It's like my son decides to make the most noise when I'm recording my videos. It's like he knows. Alright. Took a little bit of drawdown. It would be nice to get an inversion if this candle can close, and then we can get an inversion right here. It'd be very nice. Let's see. I actually want this candle to close and keep this gap open and then get an inversion on the way up. That'd be nice. That way I can pull my stop up to here. Okay. And let this baby ride. Now hopefully taking some drawdown here. This is not an easy trade. It's a scary trade because you know you got the low. It could run it. There could be an inversion right here. Let's see if we get it. See if we get that. It's looking like we might. Let's make it green this time. It's making me a little nervous. Don't do that. We got 30 seconds to push up. It's not a big deal if we wait because it might play with our balls a little bit, but see if we can get this inversion. If we can close over this, that would be a great sign. 9 seconds. That's not good. We don't like that, right? Now it's giving it to us, right? It's giving it to us right there. It is giving it to us. It's a small one, but it's there. Now let's see if we can run this for a little bit. Let's see if it's going to be rude. It's still there. There's still an inversion there. It's a tight one. She's a virgin, but it's there. Let's see if we can get a run up for 50 points. Let's finish off this evaluation. Wish I put a little bit more leverage there. I can move my stop up. I'm going to keep it down for now. Let's see. This is the double dip playing out. Now if we do it from this sucker right here, I would like to see it creep up back here. Okay, I would like to see that creep up back here. I don't think it's gonna do any sort of market structure shift at this, but that should be enough. See if we can get this evaluation funded, and then I'm gonna have to switch over to an express account and really get over to that and close it, because this is gonna come back down and take this low. But we want to see it hit this. Let's see, 20081, 20081, and don't want to get greedy. 20081. Oh, I didn't even put my damn. Let's see. I'm gonna let my evaluation run. I gotta monitor my funded account. I don't want to play this. Might just take profits off the board with this. See how many points we got from here. Hit 25 points. Oh man, this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. What I'll do is I'm going to move my stop up. Okay. I'm gonna move that up for my Express account because I'm fully. This is not our A plus setup right here. I want to make that clear. This is gonna hit this low. We're we're aiming for 50 points, right? And 081. It'd be nice to reach up here and fill this little itty bitty gap. Okay, so I might put we bought, sell, limit 3. I don't need to take profit and stop loss. Just want to put it roughly up here. So hopefully get 3. I'm not gonna get too greedy. I'm gonna try to follow this on the way up. This is a funded account, so I'm managing my risk very tightly here. Once again, this low is going to be taken out. So we want to play it very safe with the funded account. The evaluation account, we can take chances with that. That's no big deal. But this one, we want to manage it very closely. So I'm keeping it. Probably going to get stopped out here. It's no big deal. Okay, we still made a little profit. $756 on the funded account. And we'll get rid of that. But let's go back to our valuation because that's where we're trying to really compound our money. Let's see, NQ. So if we close over that candle right there, I will be pulling out of this trade, which okay, we don't quite yet. 55. 50 points. See if we can get. It's not even aiming for 50 points. And if we see the candle close below the prior candle, okay, wicking is no big deal, but closing, then we need to get out of this trade. Let's see if we can continue to push up, close this gap right before the market structure shift, and we get out of this trade, and we don't got to worry about this low getting taken and wrecking us. But I can get another funded account if we can push up. This is not a trade I want to sit in with my Express account though for more than 25 points. But we can aim for about 50 in the evaluation account. So let's see if we can pull it off here. Really, I can pull my stop at break even. There's no reason for it not to be here. So we can push. Do we close? That's the question. close over the prior candle? That's the question. Got 8 seconds for this to move back up. It's okay if we wick before the prior candle. We're stacking right now. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. What we could do here, let's see if we scraped off about 15, 25 points from our entry. Let's not get too greedy here. That's 15 points. Trying to hold strong in the paint for this one. But you have to respect that we have this low right here. So we still haven't closed the candle body before the prior minute candle. It teases you with these wicks, but I'm telling you, we should be able to hit this target. And I should add another funded account, added some profit to a funded account. Let's see, push, 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 make that push. Come on, baby, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give it to me. Come on, baby. Let's get this over with. Let's see from here. And that's from the old inversion. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Where we at? Count summary. And we hit the target. Another funded account. Easy money, baby. Easy money all day. Look at that. Boom. Blows past. Wished I held on the funded account, but I had to play it a little bit safe. With that, I'm still building a cushion. Look at this beautiful. I mean, money on the way up, money on the way down, money on the way up. It's like an ATM. I'm giving you guys everything you need. So, this is not our typical model per se, but it's the double dip. Okay, so let's remove. Let's put this here. Stop loss. Low. Okay. Inversion. These boys are just a handful. And we will change this to the double dip. Double dip. There you go. And you might be able to make money coming back down, tell you the truth, you guys. Because I think this low is going to get taken out. But I'm done for the day. I've made plenty of money and added an extra funded account. So I'm a happy camper right now. Wish I held, once again, that's one of my weaknesses personally. I have to hold to my take profit. But I'd rather make money than no money. So, three, three. That's for our stop loss. One, inversion. Two, advanced market structure shift. Three, we add our stop loss. Okay. Entry. So remove that. The double dip is going to be our entry. One, entry. Okay. Two. Three. Advanced market structure shift. Let's mark that out real quick. which would be right here. That's just giving us extra confirmation, but you don't really need it in the double dip. Okay, quick 50 points from the double dip. Okay, aim for 50 points, which would be right here. Take profit would essentially be this high. We will make that a lighter, and let's add the text. 50 point, take TP 50 points. It's a beautiful day. Wow, beautiful Monday, right? Whoa, beautiful Monday. It was awesome. Yeah, still disappointed I didn't hold my funded account for more. I made like $100 off it. Made so it's not bad. Not bad. I'm not mad at that. Okay, so let's break this down. So we made money going up today. We made money going down, and like I said, the beauty is if you miss this massive move up, okay, this breakaway gap inversion is pretty much, I call it the double dip. Because what's going to happen, even if you missed out, the market's going to come back down. Look at it. You can put your entry at the fill. You can put it, depending if you're not leveraging in too much, you can put it at the top of the gap. If you want to really leverage into it, which I did in the evaluation, you put it at the bottom of the gap. You get an entry right here, and then you look for your signals all over again. What do we get here? We get an inversion. Okay, let me change the color of this real quick. We get the okay, one, we get our double dip, taps back, we get our entry. Two, we look for our inversion. Three, we look for extra confirmation, advanced market structure shift. Really don't need it in this double dip setup. And then boom, we ride it for take profit, 50 points. What a fucking day. It's amazing, you guys. Take the things I'm giving you and you will be able to make money up, down, sideways, whatever. You'll be able to do whatever the fuck you want. All right, we're trying to get out of the matrix here. Make sure you put your stop at loss at the low. You could put it at this low. Actually, yeah, you would put it at this low initially, right? Okay, but then you would raise it up once you get your inversion just to play it safe. You raise your stop, okay, right here. Then you can even put it at break even after that. I've noticed that it's pretty solid. This inversion holds for the 50 points pretty solid. It doesn't really tap back into it. If you're a little bit nervous going back up like I was with my express funded account, you can kind of stack or frame. Make sure that these candles don't close below the prior minute candle. It's okay if it wicks. It's a little bit tricky because it can move very fast on you, but make sure it doesn't close before the prior candle. As you see, all these candles, the candle body never closed below it. And we run up to 50 points. Beautiful setup. This one did a little bit, but by the time we get to here, you're pretty much in the promised land. This is Havoc, Punch and Profit, live execution for you. Played out. It's a beautiful thing. I'll be uploading these videos later. I'll probably do a breakdown of the two trades. In fact, I might just do the breakdown of the whole model. Okay, it was a beautiful thing. Peace.